Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful flower placemat. For this, we are using 9 colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle and a stitch marker. This flower placemat looks cute and beautiful. It is very easy to do and it is beginner friendly. To do this flower placemat, we want to know the basic stitches like magic circle, chain, double crochet, single crochet and slip stitch. This can be done in same color or in different colors. You can use your scrap yarns to do this flower placemat. To do this placemat, first we will do 8 circles and then join them to form this beautiful placemat. So now let's see how to do this beautiful flower placemat. Start with magic circle. Chain 1, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as magic circle. Next we are going to work inside the magic circle. We can pull this yarn to adjust the circle. So we are going to do 16 double crochet inside this circle. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it as double crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 15 more double crochet inside this circle. Totally, you should have 16 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. 2. You can pull this yarn to adjust the circle. 3. 4. After doing 16 double crochet inside the circle, it looks like this. Next, you can pull this yarn to close the circle and finish this round by doing a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So now we have completed the first round. For next round, do chain 1. We are going to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. Next stitch 2 double crochet. 1, 2. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this round by doing 2 double crochet in each stitch till you reach this last stitch. 1, 2. After doing 2 double crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. You can finish this round by doing a slip stitch in this first double crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So after completing the second round, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. Next stitch 1 double crochet. So next stitch 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Next stitch 1 double crochet. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this row by doing 2 double crochet in the first stitch, 1, 2 and 1 double crochet in the next stitch till you reach this end and finish it off by doing a slip stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. Next you can do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. If you want the placemat to be in bigger size, you can do the circle in bigger size. So by following the same pattern, you have to do 7 more circles. So we have done all the circles. So I have done them in different colors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally you should have 8 circles. So now let's see how to join them together to form a beautiful flower placemat. So take 2 circles. You have to place the wrong side facing each other. Insert it any of the stitches. So you are going to do single crochet, pull through, do chain 1, insert the hook in both the stitches, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. So next we are going to do single crochet in only one circle. We have to do for 15 stitch. We have done for 1 stitch. Next, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this is what we say it as single crochet. Next stitch single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 15 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After doing 15 single crochet, it looks like this. Next, you have to count 16 stitch from this side, from the stitch which we started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After counting 16 stitches, place the stitch marker. Now we are going to join both the circles. So insert the hook in the next stitch. Remove the stitch marker and insert it in the 16th stitch. Do a single crochet. Next, turn the circle like this and do single crochet in each stitch for 15 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After doing 15 stitch, it looks like this. So next, take the next circle, insert it in the next stitch, insert it in any of the stitches and join this circle using single crochet. Next, do 15 stitch in this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. After doing 15 single crochet in this circle, looks like this. Next, you will count 16 stitches in the previous circle and you are going to join them. So insert the hook in the next stitch, insert it where you have inserted the stitch marker, remove them and join using single crochet. Next, turn your work. Next, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 15 stitches. So once you have done, it looks like this. So take the next circle and you are going to join them. So insert it in the stitch, insert it any of the stitch and join them using single crochet. Next, you have to do single crochet in each stitch for 15 stitches. Then you will be counting 16 stitches in this circle and place the stitch marker and join these two circles and then do single crochet in each stitch for 15 stitches. Take the next circle and join them. So you have to follow this pattern to join all these circles together. After joining all the circles, it looks like this. Now we'll be joining the last two circles. So we'll insert it here and insert it in this joint. And same way you'll be doing 15 single crochet. 2, 3, 4. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, count 16 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Place the stitch marker and we'll be joining both the circles. Then do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. After joining them, it looks like this. Join them using slip stitch. Do chain 1, extend the yarn little bit for weaving and snip off this yarn. After joining them, the flower placemat looks like this. Flower placemat looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.